one pharmacy, open 24 hours, so you can get everything you need there. All from, yeah, whatever you like, you can get there, so it's really good. And here is a road you have to pass, but you don't have here they don't have what is it? You have to look at the red lights for the cars. When they have red, then you can walk. You have no sign of oh, it's green for a walking man, I say so. It's quite a big road here, so sometimes it takes forever to come over here to cross it. Know what I mean? Yeah. But you have to be very careful when you cross the road here. Lots of cars. It's like a highway in the middle of the neighborhood, actually. Here you have now they come from this side, and yeah, we'll go here. See, now I have to wait here in the middle of the road to see which one gets green. If they get green, I can't walk. But it was they never turned this direction, so now I can walk. And here you have the Modelorama. It's called. It's and actually it says here. It doesn't say the temperature of outside. It says what the temperature is in their beer fridge. So now it's minus 1.5 degrees Celsius. And here we also buy our cigarettes, very cheap cigarettes here, like what is that, 25 pesos for a pack. So it's like what is it in dollars? Maybe $2 a pack. And here is where I always go and collect our drinking water. I'm gonna show you also in another video, or maybe in this one, how I go and get the drinking water here.